Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be showing you guys this edgy editorial makeup. I received so much love on it on Instagram, and now I am bringing it to YouTube. So we are going to jump right in. I'm going to prime my lids first, and I'm using the Urban Decay Original Primer Potion. After placing the primer all over my lid, I am now going to my Melt Cosmetics stack, and I'm using the lighter shade first, which is Blur. From there, we're going to go into that darker brown. This is Unseen, and I'm going to put that into the crease. And I'm telling you guys, this is my favorite brown. I use this at least every time I do an eye look. Now it's time to add some edginess to this look. The blue that I use is a Lancome in Sapphire. This is a long-lasting eyeliner. It's one of my favorite eyeliners. And what you're going to do is make light strokes. You don't want to make the eyeliner too thick at first. You want to start off with very light strokes and very thin. And as you see, I added some tape. I just want to make sure that my wing is as sharp as possible and as neat as possible as well. Going into the Urban Decay Electric Palette, I'm going to use Chaos with an angle brush. I'm just going to fill it in where it's a little bit spotty. Time for some Thrash. This is a beautiful greenish yellow color. And I'm just going to add that right where the blue stops in the inner tear duct and the inner corner area. Now this is a different angle brush. This is by Juvia's Place. You want to make sure you're taking a clean angle brush. You're not using the same one so the makeup doesn't transfer. And I'm just going to clean up that wing just a little bit more. From there, it is time to take off the tape. And now you can see how sharp it is. And if you want to make some adjustments to it, if you want to make it a little bit longer, a little bit thicker, you can. And then I'm just going to clean it up just a little bit more. On to the other side, I'm just going to do the same exact thing to this eye as well. And while I do that, this is a good time to go ahead and just subscribe to my channel. And also, if you are not following me on Instagram, make sure you check me out there. I'm a little bit more consistent on Instagram than I am on YouTube, but this year I plan on changing that because I totally have been neglecting YouTube. That is one thing that I am working on right now, to make sure that I'm consistently putting out YouTube videos for you guys, because I've always gotten a lot of love on Instagram and I hate that I don't deliver that to you guys. So that's just a personal goal that I really want to work on, and plus I just love creating content. So back to this look, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more of Thrash into the inner corner and just clean up this wing just a little bit more. Totally up to you. You can do your eyes first and then do your foundation, or you can do your foundation and then your eyes. Me personally, I would do the eyes first in case you need to correct anything so you don't have to reapply any areas of your foundation. And for foundation that I'm wearing today is the Nars All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. And for concealer, I am wearing the Radiant Creamy Concealer by Nars. And to set my concealer, I'm going to use the Mercier translucent setting powder. And honestly, I cannot wait to try the Fenty Beauty setting powder. So if you guys have tried it already, leave your thoughts down below because I cannot wait to go to Sephora and pick that up. Also, thank you guys for the recommendations in my last video. I had asked what are some of your favorite brands to contour with, so I am definitely going to be checking those out. And if I skipped over any products in this video, I'm just going to list them in the description box. After contouring, I go ahead and use the Bobbi Brown bronzing powder in Deep 4, and that's just to intensify the contour just a little bit more. And then from there, I use the MAC Sun Power Mineralize Skinfinish to kind of warm up my face just a little bit more. Now to bronze, I'm going to use one of my favorites. This is the Ulta Beauty Baked Bronzer. And to highlight, my other go-to is the Stila Heaven's Hue highlighter in bronze. Now, I always end up forgetting some step, and that was to contour my nose. And yeah, we're going to go back and we're going to contour the nose. And from there, we can go ahead and highlight the nose. Now to add just a pinch of blush, this is the MAC Just a Pinch Extra Dimension Blush. Cutting that contour, we're going to use the Laura Mercier translucent powder again to bring that contour out. To make it just a little bit more dramatic, I'm just going back into the Urban Decay Electric palette and adding Thrash in my inner corners. Topping this look off, I'm just going to add some black liner to my waterline. And y'all, we are done. I really hope you guys love this tutorial. And let me know in the comments below, is this an eye look you guys would try on yourselves or not? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And as always, queens, I hope you get the same results or even better. See you next time.